boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. Today, I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Ben.
Hello.
I have Miss Emily.
Hi.
I have Miss Nicole. And I have Mr. Carter. And boys and girls, I have a question for you. Who likes to be in the kitchen and cook? Yes? Do you, boys and girls? Well, I have another question for you. Who likes tacos?
Me.
Well, have you ever put your taco in a jar?
What? You can fit a taco in a jar? Yeah.
Oh, we're going to have some fun today, because guess what? We're going to put our tacos in a jar.
Cool.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, first I've got each of you a wide-mouthed canning jar, okay? So boys and girls, make sure you get the wide-mouthed. It's easier to work with than the smaller ones, okay? And then I have ingredients for our tacos right here. But before we get started, we're gonna make our dressing. And this dressing goes on the very top, but we need to get it mixed up first, okay?
Okay.
So, Carter, could you go get me the avocado dip in the fridge? And Ben, would you get me, please, the tofutti better than sour cream in the fridge,
Sure.
okay? Because we need to keep those refrigerated. Did you find them?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job, guys. Well, since you have them, why don't you, let's see, put that in my bowl. Put the, here's, you can use my spatula, put all of that in. And what we're doing, boys and girls, is we're making the dressing. Would you like to put the garlic in, or would you like to put the chili powder in?
The chili powder.
Okay, then you get to measure. So you're gonna put 2 half teaspoons in, which we really could do a teaspoon, but we thought you might like to have fun measuring, okay? So do you see where it says 1/2? That means a half a teaspoon. Isn't that good? And would you like, yes, Ben?
Look, it's flat.
It is, isn't it? Would you like to put our almond milk in?
Flat.
Okay, you need a tablespoon. Do you see where that says 1 tablespoon, Nicole? Okay, so boys and girls, you want to look on your measuring spoon. In fact, this one you can see better. Can I borrow this for a minute, Emily? See this one? It says 1/2 teaspoon. And so you need to make sure that you have the right measuring spoon, or it's not going to taste good, is it? No. Okay, and also, Carter, let me tell you, you want to make sure when you're putting an ingredient in, make sure you get all of it out. Do you see all this that's still in there? Look at that. And that's why we use a spatula, because do you see how the spatula can scrape it out really good? Okay, Carter, can you take this? Let's just put this over on the sink, okay? Will you set that over on the sink for me? Okay, Ben, you can use this too and put all of the tofutti better than sour cream. And does anyone know why I'm using the tofutti better than sour cream?
Why?
Because it's non-dairy. It has no dairy in it.
Oh,
So isn't that a cool thing?
Yeah.
And you won't even notice it because it really tastes good, boys and girls. But it'll be better for you.
When you're done, you have to pass it to me.
That's right, Miss Emily. Okay, Mr. Ben, you can give that to Emily, and you can go take that to the kitchen sink too. Okay, Emily, I'm gonna move your jar. Okay, I measure 2 half teaspoons. Oh, no. Let me show you how to do it, okay? You go like this, and I'm gonna usually I use a knife, and I don't have one, but you take it and level it off like that, okay? So let me dump it out, and let's let you do that, okay? Take this with the other hand. Okay, measure into here. Measure the whole thing full, and then you scrape it off. Do you see this, boys and girls, what we're doing? Take it this way and scrape it off like this. Just like that. See? And that way you get exactly a half a teaspoon. Isn't that good? Okay. So we've got 2 of those in there, and now let's pass the bowl over to Nicole, and you can put in 2 tablespoons of our almond milk, okay?
Miss Cinda,
Yes, Ben.
what's that?
Oh, you know what? I'll let you put that in. That's our green chilies. Go ahead, you can put that in.
Cinda, what are these?
Those are our black beans.
Oh.
And you boys and girls know that black beans are really good for you? Did you know that?
Yes.
They're very good for you. Okay, good job. Okay, now let me look at my recipe. And boys and girls, when you're cooking, make sure that you keep looking at your recipe, because if you don't follow the recipe, we might have a problem, huh?
And it might taste bad.
It might taste bad, huh? So we gotta follow it. Okay, so my recipe says, oh, you know what? My recipe says that we're going to add the green chilies when we layer. So now we're just gonna stir this up. So we'll stir it up like this and get it all stirred up. And then we'll set it in the refrigerator just to get cold, and then we'll put it on the very top, okay? When we finish layering, we'll put this on the very top. So, Carter, could you just stick that in the refrigerator for me, please? Okay, now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start. So we start with our chips. Here's your chips, Emily, and here's your chips, and then here's your chips.
Miss Cinda, they barely fit in here.
Okay, now what you have to do is you're gonna crush the chips with your hands, boys and girls. So take some chips and crush them. There, that's about enough. That's about it. You don't want a whole lot. So crush some chips in the bottom.
And then can I put some lettuce?
And now, no, first you need to put beans. You need to put, and you want to cover your chips pretty good with the beans, okay? And remember, like I said, beans are really healthy for you, aren't they? They're very good. So,
Miss Cinda, look.
you could probably put more beans in, and you'll need some more chips, Emily. You'll need some more chips. Here's a chip too.
Cinda, do I need more chips?
You could probably use a little bit more.
Miss
And then-
Cinda,
Yes.
I remember we have fun cleaning up.
We do, don't we? Do I get upset if we make a mess?
No.
No, because what do I say?
We have fun cleaning up.
That's right. Boys and girls, don't worry if you make a mess. We have fun cleaning it up, don't we? That's right. Okay,
What do I
so
put in next?
now,
Cinda, is that enough chips?
yes, so now you guys put your beans in. And then what you'll do is you're going to layer. You put in a layer of tomatoes, a layer of green chilies. You can put in a layer of the vegan cheese. And then you put the lettuce and olives on at the end, okay? Let's put this over here to help you, okay?
I
Oh.
like tomatoes.
You do? Oh, you do, don't you?
Cinda, is that enough beans?
Yeah, that's good. Now do the tomatoes. And so, boys and girls, if you don't like one of these ingredients, you can leave it off. It's okay if you don't like tomatoes, but tomatoes are really yummy, and they're very good for you, too.
Miss
I like
Cinda,
tomatoes.
this green stuff looks good.
Does it? You like tomatoes, too, Emily? Oh, do you like tomatoes,
Cinda,
Nicole?
is this a good?
You all like tomatoes.
Yes,
Mhm.
I do too.
And now, so you'll need the beans, Nicole. Let's give you some
Cinda,
beans.
now do I put in?
Now you can put some, how about some green chilies?
Can I put some lettuce in here?
Yes. Does anybody like raw onions, green onions?
I do.
You want some?
Sometimes.
Do you like raw onions?
No.
No, I'm with you. I don't like raw onions.
I don't like them.
Yeah, I don't either. Do you like raw onions? No? Do you like raw onions? Okay, Ben, you're the only one that likes the raw onions.
I think I might try it.
You think you might try it? Well, that's very good, Carter. I have to be honest. I'm not going to try it. Oh, that's good. Very good. Now you want to put, do you
Cinda,
like
is this
tomatoes?
enough?
You want to put some tomatoes in?
Is this enough?
Very good.
Look at all
That's
the
enough. You can put
layers.
tomatoes in now, Nicole.
Miss Cinda, look at all the layers.
Wow, look how pretty. Now you want to put a little
Cinda.
bit of the vegan cheese,
Cinda.
and you want to put some olives on yours?
Sure.
Cinda, what do I put in next?
Let's see. How about, do you want to put the cheese next or the lettuce? It really doesn't matter, boys and girls. You can put it in any order you want.
Lettuce.
That's what's fun about a taco. And if you want, you could even put some salsa on here too.
Is this enough?
Yes, that's good. And now let's get some green chilies for you, Nicole. There you go.
Cinda, it's full.
Oh, that's awesome.
Can I put some sour cream in?
You may. Take the lid off and stir. Can you stir it up first? Because it
Sure.
hasn't been stirred up.
Ugh.
Oh, muscles,
Kinda
Ben.
sticks.
Big muscles. Oh, okay. Now, oh, good job. Okay. Could you go get our dressing for us now? Because I think you guys are ready for the dressing. Thank you, Carter. You want to put dressing on the, you want, use your towel, Ben. Ben, you want this tofu sour cream, or you want to put some of our dressing on first?
Here you go, Cinda.
Thank you. You want to put some on top? And then we'll take it to Ben and let Ben put.
enough.
That's good. You want to spread it out just a little bit, Nicole? Good job. Take your spoon and just kind of spread it out a little bit. See, let me show you.
Here, Cinda, I'm
Cinda.
done.
Like this. See?
Miss Cinda, I like getting a big glob of sour
Thank you.
cream and then putting a little glob of salsa on it.
Oh, okay. All right. What would you like next? Would you like the lettuce or the
Can I put some olives on mine?
Yes, you may. How are you doing? Oh goodness. Would you like some green chilies, Emily? Here you go,
Miss
Carter.
Cinda.
Thank you. Okay, do you want to put some? Oh, we gotta hurry. That's our kitchen timer. We're almost done. Okay, put your lid on.
Oh, I didn't see
Okay,
it.
put some green chilies on, Emily. I'll put some green chilies on yours. Do you want to put some of the vegan cheese on yours? There you go. Put some vegan cheese.
Cinda, now do I put it?
Now you put your lid on.
Yeah,
And boys
now it
and
looks
so
good.
boys and girls, when you finish, can you hold up your jar, Ben? Hold it flat so the camera can see, so the boys and girls at home can see your. Look at all the pretty layers. Isn't that pretty?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay, now what you do
Cinda,
is.
look at mine.
Oh, good. Can you hold it up for the camera so that they can see the boys and girls can see that one? Look, isn't that nice? Okay, boys. Now what you want to do is you want to put them in the refrigerator. They're going to stay in the
Okay.
refrigerator for 2 hours.
Wow.
And I know.
That's long.
2 hours and no more than 24 hours. And then you can eat it. So you know what I thought we would do this afternoon?
What?
I have a
Clean up?
surprise. Who wants to go for a picnic? And we'll take our taco salads. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
But I have to ask my mom.
Okay, we will.
And I will.
Carter, could you put that in the sink for me, please? That dropped on the floor. Boys and girls, if you drop your spoons on the floor, make sure you don't use them. Make sure you take them to the kitchen sink and get a clean one, okay? We just want to. That's perfect. Now, would you like some lettuce for yours? Here, you got some vegan cheese for yours.
Miss Cinda, did we use the milk?
Yes, we used it in our dressing, remember?
Oh, I didn't see it.
Oh, boys and girls, that's all the time we have for now. But join us next time, and always remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.